Due to excessive rain from Friday early morning, there was no sunrise across the state whole day on Friday. The people of the state were unable to went out of their house except for those who have important works. The climate control of the state predict that the rain may continue till Saturday morning. A violent tornado occurred in the northeast region due to an excessive storm approaching from northwest Bay of Bengal. Because of this violent tornado, there was an excessive rain from Friday early morning whole day across the state. No sunrise in the state whole day. The people of the state were unable to went out of their house except for those who have important works. The climate control of the state predicted the rain may continue till Saturday morning. Likewise, an excessive tornado may fall in Bangladesh Kepu area with a speed of 70 km per hour on Friday night or Saturday morning.
Panthor kuplung munja khetoni mai rawiti shanani joraono haste ganangai aba haike shapung watai phaimani bai shapung aba haike watai nobat phaimani bai kamaka hukar khani rokni horni mukterei phashale owatei khetokrani lukurokni thani sraimungni sraifano kotor ungui nukja khamangpli hasteni dal bidal amsaini phai shokhaika mai kishilmani logi mai munja khetowo tuilomani koktoma.
The crops in the field were all damaged due to excessive rain. The farmers across the state were in a state of depression. Similarly, the roads in Agartala were seen empty for the cause. However, there is no such incident about flood in the capital as of now. But due to excessive rain, there will be causes to the crops and vegetables in this winter. Once again, the price of commodities will go higher. Reporter from Agartala, Chini Khorang.